Hi, Daddy. Hello. Say hi to Daddy. Hi, Daddy. Oh, see? Hi, Daddy. We love you, Daddy. Say hi, anak ko. Hi, Daddy. We love you, Daddy. Gia can actually raise her arm now. It's a milestone for a 3-month turning 4-month old baby. They can actually raise their arms now. Darna! Oh. Say hi to Daddy. I love you, Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Kiss Mommy. I love you, Gia. I love you, Gia. She can see her reflection. That's why she's smiling too. I love you, Gia. Oh. Yummy. Yummy. She's inserting her finger, her fingers on my mouth. I love you, Gia. That's my lunch. Huh? Mommy hasn't really eaten her real lunch. Only an apple and taco. Mm. 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 Huh? You want to share? That's your favorite snack. Why are you giving it to me now? You want me to taste your fingers too? Huh? To make me believe that they are delicious? Oh, I love you, Gia. I love you, Gia. Say I love you to Daddy. I love you, Daddy. Happy Valentine's Day. We are your date. Can we be your date, Daddy? Look at Gia. She really looks like you, Dad. I love you. We love you, Daddy. See you later. Bye.